Nvidia shares have been in a nosedive lately, plummeting by a jaw-dropping 9.5% and wiping out nearly $279 billion in value. Yes, you heard that right, $279 billion. This isn't just a big drop, it is the biggest single-day loss ever seen by a US stock. So what is causing this massive meltdown? Let's break it down. First off, Nvidia's latest earnings report didn't exactly live up to the hype. Investors had high expectations for growth, but the results didn't hit the mark, sparking a major sell-off. Then there is the growing buzz, or should we say skepticism, about artificial intelligence. Big names like JP Morgan Asset Management and BlackRock Investment Institute are starting to question whether AI will revolutionize the economy as fast as everyone hoped. Now their take, it might take years, not just a few quarters, for AI's real economic impact to kick in. And that cautious outlook has got a lot of investors rethinking their bets. It's not just Nvidia feeling the heat. Tech giants like Alphabet, Microsoft, and Apple also took a hit, with their shares dropping at least 1.9% as the AI excitement cooled off. And if that wasn't enough, the US Justice Department has stepped in, issuing subpoenas to Nvidia and other tech players as part of an antitrust investigation. This legal cloud has only added to investors' worries. But there is more. The broader market conditions are pretty rocky right now. The tech sector is facing some serious turbulence, with the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index seeing its worst drop since March 2020. Add to that concerns over China's economic slowdown, weak manufacturing data in the US, and rising inflation. It's a recipe of a market downturn. The entire semiconductor sector is feeling the crunch. Big players like Intel, Applied Materials, and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing are also seeing their shares slide. So, what's the bottom line? Nvidia's share price is getting hammered by a perfect storm of underwhelming earnings, doubts about AI's short-term impact, legal headaches, and broader market volatility. If you are an investor, now is the time to stay sharp and keep an eye on all these factors when making your moves. For more financial updates and in-depth analysis, make sure to subscribe to business-standard.com.